Once more, welcome. Assuming you know where you have saved the prepared Excel sheet for the names of students, you just go to your Scholar Management portal, enter your administrator credentials, then click on Students. So you can come here and click on Import, select the program. Since we prepared it for software engineering level 200, you pick the campus and the academic year that data is meant for 20. It said 29, 2020, 2021. So this is it. Then you browse the Excel sheet, select it, the CSV format you exported, and then click submit. You can either do it here. When you submit, the system is going to give you some messages telling you that the user has a role, guest, and student assigned. Secondly, you can also come to the interface student data and do the same thing there. So the arrow pointing up, before we took here to get the import format, but here now to upload import students is the same thing. You pick the program, you pick the level, you pick the campus, and then you select the academic year, 2020-2021. Then browse the file in your computer, and then you take submit. So I'll just submit that. Good. Three students imported without error. So we have this message. Good. A few warnings here, user already has more students and all that. So that it means it has gone. Once you see that it has been imported without errors, then it means it is gone. Now to see the data, you just need to pick which program, you pick the level and the academic year, and then search. I should have imported this data before. Okay, good. Yeah. So you have student one to student three imported. Why they are repeated is because I'm doing it the second time. Yes, I'm doing it the second time. And that's why I see even the institutional emails have been generated again, but now they have been made different and they are separate students, they are considered separate students. So that is how to prepare data, you get the export format, prepare it in Excel and import it. That's how to get students into the system. Thank you very much and see you in the next video.